In this lesson we will cover how to make the railings of the glass. So start this and go to front viewport. First of all, the height will be till here. So for that, the simple thing I'll do, I'll take rectangle, snap from this point to this point, and convert to a readable spline. Then I'll go to extrude and I'll say 0.05. Just move this. So in this case, I'll just separate this one. In this case, it's very simple. I'll just make a line from this point and this point. So I'll say sweep. Sweep. I'll say bar. I'll come down with the size. Five. Take this one first. I don't like actually the both when I decrease the height or the length, it's come down with from both the sides. So what I'll do, I'll just convert it to a readable poly. So now I'll go to front, come down with the size, this height. Still I want this much of space because we'll add one SS bar on this height. So say glass. For this, we don't have a glass only for this panel. We have a textured wall, will be a wooden texture wall, so that way they will be compensated who stays over here. Rest we will add a glass. So I'll just move this and yes. I mean, again, I feel that I don't want to use this one. I will use this and it will much more easy and faster process. How? I'll just open this one. I'll make a copy as a copy. I'll go top. Now I'll just squeeze that, scale that at the glass. Again I'll go to front. So here it is. I don't want this to be at this height. Fine. So yes, so the glass will be much more thinner. Yes. So I don't want this in this group, so I'll say detach. Now I can click on this group, I'll say close, and I'll say glass single balcony. Go to front. I want instance. So now I've done this glass as well. Yes, inside it. So now I'll just make a duplicates of this glass and fit all over the balconies, and I'll pause my tutorial so that you won't waste your valuable time just looking how I make a clone. So I'll just pause my video. So now the glass has been done for each and everything. So we have to fit a SS bar on each balcony. So the next step will be something like this. I'll make again this copy, and either from here or you can scale it down, something like this we want. Go to front. We want some small gap between this railing and glass. So this much is fine, absolutely fine, this gap. So we'll give them some SS material, will look very good. Again I'll make this copy. So what I'll do is I'll just change the color. I'll make this dark green. Now I'll just make a duplicate copy. And this time I want instance. Again I'll go to front. This case everywhere will be the same glass will be get copied, and then I will scale it. I'll show you one more thing. Just make a copy of it. See, copy, scale this. So I want same green color because when we'll select for the materials, we will select by color. So the same color I will assign. is a dark color, right? Yes. It's fine. This is the color. Fine. So again I'll pause my tutorial. So I'll do the same thing again and again. So I want to tell you a very small thing. What I did, if you see the difference, this is the difference we are getting. Actually, it should be over here. So it should be over here. This will be in single line, and this should be, the glass will be here, and we are getting this gap. Previously it was not at this point, so that's why I've restarted my video, and I've told you this is what the fault is, so you can rectify in your drawings. So okay, I'll pause this. So almost done with the railing, that SS bar. So in this case I will take a reference from this one, should be here. This will be here, and it's done. Color will be, yes, it will be a cream. Color will be cream. Something will pass on there. Instance. Skip both of them and just slide it down. Say instance. Go to perspective. So everything is looking fine now. Here is there, here is there, fine. So the more things have to add it, like we have to add some of the X factor for the design purpose, and yes, we have to add one more separation wall over here through and through. So for now we'll continue remaining things in remaining next part. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Meet you in next part.